Hi, and welcome to the Trucking Scribe. I have been playing around with dyeing paper the last couple of weeks, and I took and put some paper in a big bin yesterday and let it sit overnight, trying to see what else it would do, if it would get darker or if my images would come out much better. So I am going to show you, hopefully you won't get too dizzy, my back porch where I just got them up because it's fixing to rain here in a few minutes. Let me know what you think. So I decided to dye some paper, and it's going to rain here in a minute. They're still a little bit damp, but they feel like they can be picked up. I actually took these and I let them soak overnight, and they're coming out much better. I got them on my back porch right now. This one actually went through to the other side. I'm just trying to get a quick video. See, I got all these stencils out here. I took and dyed some. These don't seem like they came out as good, probably because they're scrap paper where I print my that one did. This is some of my school paperwork that I print, and I just thought, well, instead of throwing it away, I could do it like that. And actually, this is some of that paper that you get for kids. I probably should have left it off. It may have made these darker. But yeah, I can see in this one, I don't know if you can see it, I can see some of the coloring. But it is damp out here today, and I can see it right here. That is pretty cool. I hope I'm not making y'all sick. So I can see a lot of the design coming through on these. Like I said, they're still wet, but I have to get them up. This one here, and I can see it right there. Of course, this one was some more paper, and I can see on the back, definitely here. So the sun was out today. I wonder if it would have done any better. I mean, these pages I printed out for school, like I said, for reading. And they've just been sitting there, and I decided, well, why not put them in here? So tomorrow or the next day, I will probably do some more. Like I said, this here is the rolls of paper. Look at that. So even just old copies, you can dye and have like a book page, even though it's from the printer. But this is my very long rolled up sheet, and you can see it's got some color to it already, but I'm probably going to use that a second time. So I thought while I was outside before it started raining, I grabbed this. You see, it's pretty long. This is one of the ones that I put under my paper, not so much to protect this, but to try and protect my pages that I was dyeing. But I mean, if you look, and what I'm going to do is take the smellies. I can fold it in half this way, or I could fold it this way and make big journals. And I think I paid $17 for 2 rolls of this. can see here is a regular page size. So it's going to definitely make bigger ones. And you might as well, while you're coffee dyeing the 8.5 by 11s. You'll hear the airplanes. I don't live too far, well, about 30 miles from Atlanta airport, so. But I even have some that have color in them that I had posted from, or that I put printed papers on. Those over there turned out the best. So, you know, I didn't put any paper underneath. That might be how I get these dark colors. Are so pretty. But thank you for stopping by, and hope you will subscribe. And please hit the like button. That always helps. And I will see you next time.